thousands of years, Egyptian, then Roman, then Viking ships transported cats across the world. Vikings in particular seem to have favored the unusual color mutation that had originated in Egypt.
You can almost map where Vikings were by looking at the gene frequency of orange in Europe.
Vikings clearly couldn't get enough of their orange Egyptian cats.
It was probably true in Viking society, as it is true in most other early seafaring societies, that having a cat on board a ship was good luck. And it could be that the Vikings selected orange cats to bring on their boats for some reason that we don't know.
Egyptian cat genes conquered the known world.